to the big build size and 50 micros printing accuracy with two 4K UV LED optical projectors. D300 is a great choice for all the dental labs with orthodontic models, registration models, implant models, and dental models. The top-down design also highly improved the working stability of D300. Together with the Evident One software, D300 can realize a fully automatic production process, including automatic orientation and layout, automatic printing, assigned tasks, removal, refilling, and sorting. D300 has a very high printing efficiency. It can finish 18 orthodontic models within 40 minutes and 12 full-arch implant models within 90 minutes. Because of the automatic working system, D300 can do a 7x24 hours printing job. One printer can finish 650 aligner models and 200 full-arch implant models per day.